I think designing a space is almost sort of writing your own story. I'm Gauri, I'm an architect and interior designer from Madras. Welcome to my home. I grew up in older homes in Bangalore and Mysore, and when I came into Madras, I was kind of faced with an apartment sort of living situation. I've kind of picked up on a lot of nuances that is truly Madras, which is pure white buildings, Art Deco homes. That's something that's heavily influenced my design aesthetic as well. A lot of materiality, which is very tropical modern, whether it's your terrazzo floors or a lot of timber and a lot of cement. I've kind of pulled references from there in my designs today. I've actually lived by myself for the last 10 years or more. When I was looking for a home to move into, I wanted to be in this area because my studio is here and it's quite central to the city. And I looked at a lot of very swanky modern apartments, but somehow when I saw this place, I was just drawn to it because of the bay windows and the ceiling heights and the proportions, which are very true to an older apartment. It's a 3-bedroom apartment. I've collected a lot of pieces and a lot of furniture pieces and a lot of art pieces over the years, and it's found its own space in this apartment. I think I'm a maximal minimalist. I don't know if that makes sense, but I love having a space heaving with personality and decor and art. But that said, I like a slightly pared back look, a very layered sort of look in the space. I really enjoy walking into a room, watching flowers bloom and that smell of like tuberose or lilies or any of these things kind of wafting through the space. Whether it's fabrics or textiles, I think you have to be mindful of the colors that you use, and I have been experimenting with color quite a bit and having quite a bit of fun with it. Each home of mine has seen me through a very different phase in life. I really look forward to moving into each home because that's kind of like a progression in my personality, in who I am as a person as well. And like every home, this home has seen so many of my friends and family who've come in. I hope this home takes me to the next step, whatever that is.